Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an iCloud mail account for it to look like your name at icloud.com, something at icloud.com. So we want to go into the video, go to your settings, scroll to the part where you see your apps, okay, and select mail and select accounts, and you have some options there. You want to go in for add account, okay, and the very first option says iCloud, so you click on that and then it gives you a form. Okay, so it says example at icloud.com, so you want to put in your username there. I want to put maybe Zalify 2000. That's my code name. Don't be using it to play. Hey, sorry, did I put Gmail? I'm used to Gmail. So icloud.com. So you put icloud.com and you hit forward. Okay, hit forward next, and it gives you a space for you to enter your password. Okay, so you create a password. I don't know what I want to put there, but I'm just putting random stuff there because I'm not actually going to create the account. I'm just putting random stuff there for you to know how it works. So from here, you just click on next, and then you fill out all the other forms, and you have an iCloud account, your name or anything at icloud.com. So that's how you get your iCloud mail. Yeah, I'm done.